Well, there are two things that you need to know before you start making grit for your worm bins. And I'm talking about if you're going to use eggshells. And number one, the thing you have to realize is that when you bake your eggshells to get ready to pulverize in a blender or something, those eggshells will have a really stinky odor. I'm going to be honest with you. Your family's going to be mad at you because that smell is so bad. They're like, what in the world is that funky smell? That smell will linger for about a day or two in your house. So be aware, if you're going to do that, the smell is going to be bad. So just a heads up. And another thing you need to look into is when you grind up your eggshells, they will give off a fine particle. The dust is bad for your lungs. So what you need to do is to wear a mask because you don't want to get those fine particles into your lungs. So be aware that the eggshells give off a foul odor and you have a chance of getting that into your lungs. So now if you want to learn how to make worm grit, here's a video to check out. I'll see you in the next one.